10 minutes. That's all it takes for me to go from a blank page to a winning ad concept ready to test. No designers, no UGC actors, no agency fees, just AI and a 5-step process I'm going to show you right now. This is the exact workflow I use in my pay-per lead agency today. 3 cheap tools, 1 document, and a testing method that finds your winning hook before you've spent any real money. By the end of this video, you'll have the full system. Let's go. I've been running pay-per lead campaigns for years across finance, insurance, and home services. And the biggest shift I've made recently has nothing to do with the niche or the offer or the landing page. It's speed. How fast can I go from an idea to a tested creative? Because the media buyers winning right now aren't the ones with the biggest budgets. They're the ones who find a winning hook before their competitors even have their brief written. This is how I do it. Most agency owners are still doing this the slow way. Briefing designers, waiting on UGC creators, spending hundreds testing hooks that were never going to work. Every week you do it that way, you're burning money and falling behind. Speed of ideation to execution is now the edge in media buying. And if you're not building that edge, someone else in your niche already is. So here's the 10-minute system, 5 steps. Let's get into it. All right, guys. So for this, you just need 3 AI tools: Claude, Higgsfield, and Canva. Now, step 1 here is your master marketing intelligence document. This is a deep research file I built once using Gemini. Gemini is great at deep research, so it covers customer psychographics, their biggest fears, desires, competitor landscape, awareness levels, everything. Think of it as giving AI a complete brief on your market before you ask it to do anything creative. Without this, your AI generated ads are just guesses dressed up nicely. With it, every hook and every angle is grounded in real market data. I show you how to build this inside my paid community, but once you have it, everything else takes minutes, not hours. That's the foundation. Now let's build on it. So moving over to step number 2, hook generation. This takes about 2 minutes. So what we do is we upload that master marketing research document to Claude. This Claude has all that information already. Claude reads it and generates 10 hooks tailored to your specific niche and avatar. So here are the hooks. And I have the prompts as well inside my master Pay-Per Lead Nation Desire to Lead system. So we take this prompt, we take prompt here, prompt number 7, and we get it to write killer hooks. And then once it's actually written the killer hooks, we can actually also get it to create the ads. But basically, so a real example, my CPAs on bad credit car loan leads in Australia were creeping up, so I needed fresh angles fast. Uploaded my document, ran the prompt, and I had 10 hooks I'd never thought of myself in under 2 minutes. But here's the thing, you can't tell which hook wins just by looking at this list. One of them will outperform the rest by a massive margin, maybe 2. You won't know until you test. And this is the next step where most media buyers waste their money because they skip it entirely. Because the difference between a $25 cost per lead and a $90 cost per lead often comes down to the line of text. And you can find out which line wins for $25 and 500 impressions. So here's how you do it. So we take our hook ads and turn them into simple color block image ads. There's a prompt for this. And then just hook text on a plain background, nothing else, no design, no branding, just the words. Claude generates these images. You build them. You can either rebuild them in Nano Banana or Higgsfield if you want to make them a little bit better. Or you can just upload them as is into one Facebook engagement campaign, link click objective, $25 a day. Now you only need 500 impressions per ad to get a clear signal. Hit 500 impressions, pause it, check the link click-through rate. I ran this on my bad credit car loan hooks recently and the gap was massive. So quick example, here's all my ads. I'm looking at link click-through rate, 8.87 the highest, down to as low as 2 or 3%, right? You can see the winning hook here, okay? Probably no surprise there. It's a pretty good hook. So 8.87% CTR on the winner, 3.12% on the loser. Same audience, same budget, completely different hook. That's your winner. Now you build everything around it. And once you know your hook works, production becomes fast. You're not guessing anymore. You're just wrapping a proven idea in different formats. All right, moving on to step 4, creative production. This is the fun part. So we're going to create proven native image ads that work, SMS text ads, us versus them, and text overlay ads. So what we do is we go back to Claude. We're going to paste it our winning hook. Here we are. This is my winning hook. And we're going to run my native image ad prompt, which is step 8 in this system over here. So I've got a prompt that will produce that hook into 3 or 4 different native image ad styles, which Claude will then give you ready to use ad concepts built around that hook. It's going to give you image prompts to use in Nano Banana or Higgsfield. So we're going to take those prompts over to Higgsfield. I've already done that, but essentially this is the output. So I've got my SMS ad. I've got a couple of variations of each. I'm going to take this version of the text overlay ad, and I've got a us versus them ad here. All right. So there, that was all done in a matter of minutes. So I'm going to upload these to a sandbox campaign and just let them run. Winning hook to live image ads, under 5 minutes total. Okay, step number 5, wrapping it in a video. Takes 2 minutes. We're going to open Canva. We're going to use the 4:5 format. It performs well across more placements than just square or vertical. Drop in a contextually relevant video clip as the background. I just searched for car dealership here. You could search for anything related to your niche. And then I overlay my winning hook, text hook, over the video background. That's it. And then I put a little call to action as well to take the quiz. Simple, it's only a 6-second ad, but fair chance this is going to convert well. It's a moving image, static text, that's the whole ad. So it works because the hook already proved it grabs attention. You're not guessing at the creative. You're putting a proven hook in motion. Simple, fast, done. So the full 10-minute system looks like this. Step 1, build your master marketing intelligence document once. Step 2, generate 10 hooks from your market research in Claude. Step 3, test them as color block ads at $25 a day, 500 impressions each. Step 4, take your winning hook and build image ad variations in minutes. Step 5, wrap it in a simple text overlay video in Canva. 0 to winning ad, 10 minutes. Now I do also recommend creating more advanced videos of this hook. We could do UGC talking head, we could do street interview, we could do skit ad. All of this can be done, and I have training to show you how to do this in my paid school community. So if you want to know how to make more advanced ads that convert even better, I would recommend checking that out. The old way of making ads was slow, expensive, and mostly guesswork. This way is fast, cheap, and the winner is chosen by data, not opinion. The only question is how long you're going to keep doing it the old way. The full prompt pack, the Desire to Lead system, and every template I use in this video are inside my paid community, Paper Lead Nation Pro, links in the description. And if you want to see what happens after you've got your winning hook, watch this next. I'm using Seedance 2.0 to turn these hooks into full video ads, and it's blowing up lead gen right now. Watch it before your competitors do. All right, see you in the next video.